We all know that one friend who always has extra money saved up, no matter what. While some people struggle to make it through the month, these savers always seem to have something tucked away. At first glance, it might look like they're simply lucky or earning more, but there's actually more to it. These people follow a few key habits that help them save money without feeling deprived. This isn't about being cheap or saying no to fun. Frugal living is about being smart with money and making choices that add value to your life. It's about knowing when to spend, when to save, and how to live within your means. Frugal people enjoy life, but they're thoughtful about where their money goes. In this video, I'll share the 6 habits of people who are always saving money. These habits set savers apart from the rest. You'll learn simple ways to keep more money in your pocket without making huge sacrifices. Ready to discover the secrets of people who are always saving? Let's explore the mindset and practices of the savvy saver. Number 1. They practice value-based spending. One of the biggest secrets of people who always save money is that they only spend on things that truly matter to them. This is called value-based spending. Instead of buying everything they want, they focus on spending money in areas that bring real value or happiness to their lives. For example, let's say they love to travel and see new places. Instead of spending money on fancy clothes or the latest phone, they save up for vacations because travel is what they value. They don't stop spending completely. They just spend carefully on what means the most to them. This habit helps them avoid buying things on impulse or out of boredom. Value-based spending also means they take time to think before buying. They ask themselves, do I really need this? Will it add value to my life? This simple question helps them avoid wasting money on things that don't matter. By focusing on what truly makes them happy, they feel satisfied with fewer purchases, which naturally leads to more savings. This approach allows them to enjoy life without constantly worrying about their finances. For these savers, it's not about saying no to spending, but saying yes only to things that genuinely improve their lives. Over time, this habit of mindful spending keeps their bank accounts growing while still allowing them to live well. Number 2, they budget but make it fun. Another habit of people who are always saving money is that they budget, but they do it in a way that feels fun and motivating. Many people think of budgeting as boring or restrictive, but savers know how to make it enjoyable and even rewarding. Instead of seeing a budget as a list of things they can't buy, they see it as a way to reach their goals. They often set up small challenges or games within their budget to keep things interesting. For example, they might do a $5 challenge, where they save every $5 bill they get instead of spending it. Over time, these small amounts add up without much effort. Savers also use apps or tools that make budgeting easy and fun. Some apps have colorful charts, reminders, and rewards that make tracking spending feel like a game. They can see how close they are to reaching their savings goals, which keeps them motivated. Some even compete with themselves, trying to spend less each month than they did before. Budgeting this way doesn't feel like a chore because it's focused on positive goals, like saving for vacation or a new hobby. By making budgeting enjoyable, savers feel accomplished every time they reach a goal or put money aside. This positive approach turns budgeting from something restrictive into something empowering, helping them save more without feeling deprived. Number 3. They embrace no-spend days. One of the favorite habits of people who are always saving money is having no-spend days. On these days, they challenge themselves not to spend a single dollar. It may sound tough, but it's actually a fun and simple way to save money without making big sacrifices. The idea is to pick certain days where they won't buy anything that isn't absolutely necessary. No buying coffee, no takeout, and no online shopping, just focusing on using what they already have. For example, they might cook meals from food already in their pantry or find free activities to do, like going for a walk or reading a book. These no-spend days help them break the habit of spending money without thinking. By having a day or even a few days where they don't spend at all, they start to see how often they buy things out of habit or boredom. It also teaches them to get creative with what they already have. Over time, these no-spend days really add up. Just a few days each month can lead to big savings by the end of the year. Plus, these days give them a sense of control over their finances. They feel proud knowing they can have fun and live well without spending money all the time. This small habit makes saving money easier and helps them build a stronger sense of financial discipline. Number 4, they know how to hack sales and discounts. People who are always saving money don't just buy things on a whim. They have a skill for getting the best deals. They know how to hack sales and discounts to stretch their dollars further. Instead of paying full price, they're experts at finding ways to save, whether it's through sales, coupons, or cashback offers. Savers don't randomly buy things just because they're on sale. Instead, they make a list of items they need or want and wait for the right time to buy. For example, they know that certain items like electronics or winter clothing go on sale at specific times of the year. By waiting, they get the same items for a lot less. They also use tools like price tracking apps or browser extensions that alert them when the price of an item drops. Another trick they use is signing up for store newsletters to receive exclusive discounts or joining loyalty programs that give rewards on future purchases. Cashback apps are also popular because they get a small percentage of their money back on things they were going to buy anyway. One of their smartest strategies is the waiting game. Instead of buying something immediately, they wait at least a day to think it over. Often, they find they don't really need it, which saves them money. By being patient and planning their purchases, these savers get the things they want without overspending, allowing them to keep more money in their pockets. Number 5, they live with less but enjoy more. People who are always saving money have learned that having more things doesn't necessarily make life better. Instead, they focus on living with less and enjoying what they already have. This approach is often called minimalism, and it helps them save money while feeling happier and less stressed. For example, they don't buy tons of clothes just to keep up with trends. Instead, they have a capsule wardrobe with a few quality pieces that mix and match easily. This way, they always have something to wear without needing to buy more. They also avoid single-use gadgets or items, choosing instead things that can serve multiple purposes, like a slow cooker that can make many different meals. Living with less means they have fewer things to clean, organize, and worry about. This brings a sense of calm and frees up their time for activities they truly enjoy, like hobbies, spending time with friends, or exploring new places. It's not about depriving themselves. It's about focusing on what really matters. Choosing a simpler lifestyle helps them spend less money on unnecessary things, which naturally leads to more savings and a happier, more fulfilling life. Number 6, they pay themselves first religiously. One powerful habit that people who always save money follow is paying themselves first. This means they make saving money their top priority every time they get paid. Before they spend on bills, groceries, or anything else, they set aside a portion of their income directly into savings. They treat it like a non-negotiable expense, almost like paying a bill to their future self. Many savers make this easier by setting up automatic transfers. Every payday, a certain amount goes straight from their checking account into savings or investments without them having to think about it. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind method helps them save consistently without feeling the urge to spend that money. By paying themselves first, they build a safety net and grow their wealth over time. This habit is simple, but very powerful. Even if they start with a small amount, it adds up month after month, creating a solid financial cushion. Over time, this steady savings habit makes a big difference in their finances, giving them security, freedom, and peace of mind. This commitment to saving first ensures they are always growing their money, no matter what else happens financially. Building your own frugal lifestyle. Living a frugal lifestyle isn't about giving up everything you enjoy. It's about making thoughtful choices with your money, focusing on what truly matters, and finding smart ways to save. By adopting some of these habits, you can start to build a healthier financial life. You don't have to do it all at once. Small changes can lead to big savings over time, and you'll feel more in control of your money. Frugal living can help you reach your goals, reduce stress, and enjoy life without constant financial worries. Try these habits and watch how they help you keep more money in your pocket while still enjoying life to the fullest. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.